Today's video regarding HP Deskjet 2755 all-in-one printer. So I'm going to show you how to replace or install the ink cartridges. Now the first step is to switch on the printer. So press the power button on, and now we open the front cover, and there is a hidden door, another door here, so we need to open this. So now you can see the ink cartridge chamber is here and it has moved in the middle. Now press the ink cartridge downwards and take the cartridge out. Do it for the both black and the color. Now this printer uses number 67 ink cartridge, tricolor and the black. To install the ink cartridge, just place the cartridge here and push it inwards and it will lock itself, and place black on the black side and color on the color side, as you can see the markings here. Now close the ink cartridge chamber. Your printer can print a page like this. So this is the ink cartridge alignment page. We need to scan this page. So open the top scanner and place a page facing downwards here. Close the lid. Go here and check. Now we need to press this copy button. So press it once, and also check here if all the ink cartridge marking is available. So you can see this icon here, it shows estimated level of ink left, and once you click on the scan button, it will scan and align the ink cartridge. Thanks for watching.